Hello, mic check, 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 mic check. Right, boys. So today I'm a bit early on the chart, but as you can see, I'm long here. Initially, I was short, to be honest, from the here from this gap, but I got stopped out at break even from this high to this low. This one, all right. These are the 50-minute high. So it's stalling, some sort of time distorting. All right. Now it can go either upside or the downside. If it stay below these two lines here, it's likely to take out this low first. But if it's staying above this low here, this one where I enter the position, then it might tap into this. Uh, trade up into this 5 minute in IFBG, and we also have a buy side liquidity pool up there, so it can trade up into that and then sell off. But we have high impact news at 8:30, so it could do literally anything. But I'm not worried about that. So first position here got break even. You could see because it's CFD, the slippage got break even, then entered at the lowest of this candle. All right, the lowest candle I entered. All right, I'm gonna be looking at this gap, how it reacts to this gap. All right, and we also have this breaker, this up close candle where our price is currently within this candle. So I want to see how it react, and we have this gap right around here. So it's gonna be fun to see what the news does today. Again, I'm not worrying about the money, bro, because I want to know if whether if I'm right or wrong. Because all all you want to do is to get get all your answers for the market movement, and that's my motive. All right, if I take a stop, I want to be able to tell myself that probably look at the chart, and probably you missed that part, that's why you took that loss. All right, and if I take a W, then I'll probably um, analyze that one more time, maybe a couple more time, to see whether I was right or I was precise. Did I miss something? These are the things I look at, bro. All right. So all you gotta do is focus on your executions. All right. You gotta know uh, why price do certain thing. You have to know these things. All right. So again, I'm gonna be looking for higher prices for now because it failed to go below this low, bro. If it went below this low, I could have I would have looked for short below targeting this low right here. But I kind of think price probably gonna trade up into this, and then we have a 4 hour high here as well. I think this blue line is a 4 hour high. I'll show it later, but for now, enjoy this, and I'm gonna go do some stuff. I'll come back and see what it did. All right. But I'm confident about this trade. If it doesn't run, probably I missed something. But let's see. Okay, two more. I think 1 more minutes for the market to open. The news to come out. Let's see what happens. Looks like it's probably gonna shoot up. Yeah, it's probably gonna shoot up, but I think we might tap into that gap. All right, I'm gonna widen my stop loss here in case price comes back down. Take out this low and taps into this order block, this down close candle within that IFBG. I'll show you this on the 5 minute time frame later. All right, but let's see what it does. Yeah, I think we're gonna see higher prices for sure. If not, probably I missed something. There's the volatility coming in. All right, there's the volatility coming. Let's go. Let's go, chat. It didn't even. It's not showing anything here, but freaking let's go. That's why I widened my stop loss, dude. All right. How many points within one candle? Freaking 93 points, and it's still going, bro. But you could see where it tapped, dude. You could literally see where it tapped. So now you know, man. Now you know. All right. My limit order didn't got triggered because of that volatility right now because it's CFD short. All right. And you could see price did tap into that gap right here. Okay. So again, bro, if you're right about the bias, if you know where the market is heading, you can literally take the trade. Many people tell me, man, why you trading news or why you trading the 9:30 open, bro? If you knew what I knew, you wouldn't care about like the volatility. All right. If the all right, this is my question to all of you. All right. Tell me why you get stopped out. I mean, in a trade. All right. Why do you get stopped out in a trade? Just tell me why. It's because you don't know the direction. Am I right or wrong? Just tell me, bro. Am I right or wrong? And I've been doing this for almost 6 years, so I know what I'm doing. But if you ask me, bro, that's how I like to trade. So yeah, and I'm gonna be looking for this 4 hour high to get tapped in. But let's see how far it goes. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it to at break even and see what it does. I have some stuff to do, chat, and I'm gonna see you after that. All right. I'm expecting price to take out that 4 hour high. All right. Just look at that volatility, bro. That's and one thing I want to say for the haters. Can you do this, bro? Can you enter at the bottom and exit at the top? Can you do that? If you can do that, you have absolutely have all the rights to troll me. You have absolutely every fucking right to troll me, all right? But I'm just gonna pyramid some, I mean, scale off some positions here. Is the this high above this high? I'm gonna take a five. I mean two. Just gonna scale off. To be honest, at this point, you don't need much. All right, you don't need it much more. This literally is enough for. Look at it, bro. That's almost like a 15 trade. Whatever, bad. Shit, man. All right, so the thing I want to say is that you can see I was short first. All right, I got stopped out at break even. Why did I go break even? Because when I saw price graduate, I didn't close below this gap right here. This gap, there is a 5 minute gap. I'll show you. All right, and we had this market structure shift right here. This right here, and that's something that I didn't want it to see, and price did that. So I had my stop loss right around here at my entry. All right, and you could see because of the slippage I got stopped out because it's CFD short, and then I entered a long position. I waited for some time. I wanted to get in long here, but I waited for some time for price to tap into this gap one more time to um, show like to tip its hand that it's more likely to go up today. All right, that's the explanation I have to give you. All right. We have some other highs. We have these trend line liquidities. So yeah, man, it can definitely go there, but I'm gonna just keep my stop at break even. I don't give a freaking F if it If it comes down and stop me, I'm just gonna let it run and let's see what it does. But I'll get into the explanation once I'm out of this thread. So stick to it. Stick to the video, and let me be done with my stuffs. And I'm gonna get you guys soon. All right. All right. Here is the IFVG. Good to see. Here's the IFVG above this buy side liquidity pools, and then we had these miners buy side liquidity pools here as well. These are all low risk and liquidity runs. All right. I'm gonna take these off for a moment. All right, and this is where I entered. All right, this IVG. All right, this is a bullish fair value gap. All right, so we sold off from here in the past. Then we traded through that, tried to go below that one more time, failed again, traded through that, closed above this high. There is a market structure shift. Then we consolidated within this range here. All right. So if you know my model, what do I teach you all? We want to see a failure swing. All right. So these are my wait. So within this range, from this high to this low, this right here is the failure swing. So um, taking that as a failure swing above this bullish fair value gap, I entered that long position. And the fact that we already took out this low, but we didn't respect this gap right here. There was a 5 minute gap. If you can see it, there is a 5 minute CB right here. We couldn't respect it, traded through that, closed above that, then took support from it, and this becomes an order block. This is the 5 minute order block. So we had 5 minute order block within that bullish fair value gap from the past. Then a failure swing, we took out this minor sell side liquidity pool. We had this shift right here, and you could see price didn't um, go below that low because this right here is a failure swing. So there's the explanation, and I want to see price candle stay above this IFVG, and then 9:30 probably gonna Skype. What am I saying, dude? What the fuck? 9:30 probably gonna spike up and take out that 4 hour high. That's the 4 hour high, all right. And this same account, dude. You could see yesterday's execution, so nothing to hide from y'all. And I'm gonna let it run. All right, guys. So bang, bro. Bang, bro. Like there you go, bro. So this gap, I told you that I want to see price taps into that, but stay above that, and that's the 4 hour high. We swapped it, and this trade was almost, yeah, more than 200 points. And let me tell you one thing, dude. All right, those who are trolling me, show me you can do this. All right, show me what you can do. All right, I can do this. What about you, dude? I just explain this live trade in real time. All right, and bro, I'm really like thankful to God that He let me have this knowledge, bro. Like to be honest, bro, there were so many nights like I cried for this shit, but at the end of the day, He did let me see this stuff, and I'm very thankful for that. And whatever, man, you could see there's the entry. This is the first partial. Bulk of my position were took off within that gap. Second partial, whole position right here. So there you go. And yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give a thumbs up, sub up to the channel, and I'll see you guys on to the next one. And I'm not even gonna look what 9:30 gonna do today. Yes, well, yeah, I'm already done for the day. So that's 33 or all right. And I hope you also have a great trading session today. And yeah, man, till then I see you next time. Be safe, take care of your health, your mental health as well. Peace out, chat.